Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing a service on my 6015 B, and I brought it in here. First thing is, get help to lift it onto a table with a friend or family member, because it's just when you're 65 with arthritis real bad, I just can't do it anymore. First off, second off, digging yesterday, I noticed some of these were sticking out. It's on the other side, actually. This side was okay. Actually, I'm going through and checking them right now. So, you know, servicing, I got a pin up here. Let's see if I can focus right here. This is backing out. I think I might pull it out and put some blue glue on it, thread locker. And, you know, I'm just kind of going over it. And the tracks have been catching a lot. So I took the tracks off and I'm looking at them, and holy crap. You know, these things are put together with this bolt right here. If I can focus. That's the track pin. That's out of a new pair of extra tracks that I got. I ordered those after I bought the machine because it doesn't come with any extra tracks. So that's the track pin. So I'm looking at my tracks going, what the hell's doing all the clicking and stopping the motors? And I'm missing probably 50% of the nuts. And some of these, as you can see right here, this one's broke off, this one's bent to hell, this one's bent to hell. This one's not bad, it's bent right at the end. Same on that one. But, so, and these are castle nuts. If you can see those are castle nuts. So they, you know, they came loose. So, we've got to check this thing more off. There's a broken one right there. Or, what is that? I guess the nut's missing off of that one. Anyway, you can see all the nuts that are missing down the line there. Oh, and another thing, when you're tightening up these bolts right here for the rollers, you can't get them fart tight, because it'll pinch the roller and the roller won't turn. So you got to just kind of feel it out as you're tightening them, make sure the roller will still turn. And these are castle nutted on the back side also. So I wanted to kind of get on here. I haven't done any maintenance really on this thing other than just checking bolts that are easy to get to. And I've been running this thing a lot. I mean, I've got a lot of hours on this thing already, and I've had it since, I don't know, May or something. And shit, we dig with this thing every weekend, or every Tuesday, and sometimes on Saturdays and Sundays, or Saturdays anyway. So anyway, I wanted to get on here and show people. Oh, another thing I'm looking at, the tracks have always been kind of loose and sloppy. So I got sweat rolling down my face here. It's hot out here. There's no adjustment on the tension. When you pull this out, this is what you're looking at. And there's a plate in here with a hole in it that this goes into. So the only way I can maybe get the tracks more tight is to put a spacer right here, so it's pushing this thing out more. Like something a little bigger than the spring, I think, yeah, because otherwise it'll try to go through the hole. It's inside here, which I don't know if you can't really. Can you see that hole down in there? That's the hole right there. Get my cigarette smoke out of there. That's the hole that bar goes through, and there's nothing here. There's nothing here to tension the tracks, to make the tension tighter. The tracks were extremely loose. It's on the other side, but they're just sagging like crazy. And might be, I don't know. Anyway, just some information for anybody that has this machine or is thinking about buying this machine. You got to maintain them. I didn't get to it as soon as I would like to because it's so heavy. I can't get anybody to help me lift it up here. I can't get on the ground and work on it. It's just impossible for me to do. So I have to get somebody to help me get it up here because it weighs 120 pounds. It's freaking heavy. So yeah. Anyway, wanted to get on here and show you guys a little bit about this as far as the maintenance goes. I'm gonna have to go to Ace and get some nuts and bolts. This is a new pin I took out of my spare tracks. You can see right there they are. That's the track pin. Now these are steel tracks for sure. Yeah, these are steel tracks, no doubt about that. They're heavy, but there's no. Look at the curve in that thing. I mean, these pins are just no good. I mean, they're just shit. The way they got this thing put together, in my opinion. So anyway, it is what it is, and we'll deal with it. We'll just have to keep an eye on the nuts and bolts more often than I do. So anyway, you guys take care. We'll catch you on the next video. I'm doing service this week on stuff. So I got my dozer kind of done today. Had a motor go out on it again yesterday on the other side, on the right side. So I replaced it. Those two motors were brand new too. Like probably less than 10 hours. They work and then they'll quit. They work and then they'll quit. They work and just stop right in the middle of anything you're doing. And so I changed it out. I had another one sitting here, and I got one more extra one left, and then I'm gonna have to buy some more. But anyway, you guys take care. Hope this helps somebody with the 6015 on maintenance. I'm gonna change the oil, check everything, all the pins. You know, like I told you, that one is loose or backing out right there. That's backed out before, but this time it snuck out further on me. I'm going to check all those pins. Let's see, I don't know, whatever I find I'm going to fix or work on or tune or whatever. Anyway, you guys take care. Catch you on the next video. And until then, stay frosty. It's hot out. Bye.